So,
Brecon?
Brecon.
It's a wee bit narrow here, lads.
Just a little bit narrow.
Good. Suffer.
Well, on the left, it's a bush.
Hello. Considering we're not morning people, it's a pretty nice morning.
It is. That's a nice little small incline.
You call that small?
Penny.
Oh, you mean the bit right in front of us? Okay, I'll give you that. Hello there. We are the usual two chaps, Stuart and Magna, and decided that, you know what would be a fun thing to do? We'd climb up that thing. Which, for those paying attention, is the Brecon Beacons. The highest peak you can see on the left there is Penny Fan, the other one is Corn Dew.
Very similar in height.
And very far away. We've got a bit of walking to do.
4 kilometres, in fact.
Really?
Yeah.
Fucking hell, that's far.
Yeah.
Whose idea was this?
This route, yours. The whole thing, both of us.
True. Onward! To Isengard, not to Isengard, up the Welsh place.
We're definitely not rushing this walk.
No. We will catch you guys very shortly after we make some progress up this mountain, to which we have been told we apparently can't climb because we're lazy. We are doing this despite those
We're
people.
also gamers.
Yeah. Video gamers don't do fun things.
Video gamers don't go touch grass. Just for proof.
Drone operators. Oh.
Touching grass.
He touched the grass, people. Not that you saw his hand, but he did it. Well, we made it this far, which is about halfway up.
Convenient rock.
Convenient rock, yes. Lovely place to sit. So there's a lovely view up here, of which, if our cameraman would kindly turn around, it'd be lovely.
Yeah.
See, look at the view. It'd be stunning, lads. Yeah, like, let's go see that view, shall we?